NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, or JWST, reached its final destination this week, more than 1.5 million kilometers from Earth. The journey took about a month and now begins the fine-tuning for its mission to observe the history of our universe and seek signs of life outside our solar system.
It's orbiting just outside the orbit of the moon. It's about 4 times further away than the moon. So it always has to be pointed out towards deep space. It can't ever look back towards the Earth.
NASA's Amber Strawn told Vox that Webb can't look at Earth because it's an infrared telescope and the Earth is warm and would just glow in that spectrum of light. Webb fired its rocket thrusters for nearly 5 minutes to park itself in the sun's orbit where NASA intended. It will take months to align the $10 billion observatory's mirrors to begin its research missions in June. Meanwhile, following the recent massive eruption of an undersea volcano near the Tongan Islands, NASA says the blast could offer clues about the formation of other planets.
We use Earth as our training ground to project what we know from places like this to other planets that might have oceans, that might have volcanoes that erupt underwater. And that could definitely have happened on Mars and Venus. And so there are sister worlds. We need to understand these processes.
The January 15th eruption was so powerful that space satellites not only captured the clouds of ash, but also an atmospheric shock wave from the volcano close to the speed of sound. NASA's James Garvin says that by studying the life cycle of a volcano like the one in Tonga, scientists have the rare opportunity to understand how other planets formed. And finally this week, the winner of last February's lottery to join the crew of the SpaceX Inspiration 4 mission finally came forward. Florida-based airline pilot Kyle Hipchin won the ticket in a random drawing, but he exceeded the weight limit for the Dragon capsule. Hipchin picked his old college roommate Chris Sombrowski to fly in his place. Arash Arabasadi, VOA News.
Her harness strapped on shortly here. Chris just entered the vehicle as